Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your saved reels on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, then click on the little TV symbol on the top left. Once you're on here, you should see a profile symbol on the top right, and then near the top you should see saved videos. So you just need to click on that. Then once you're on there, it'll bring up a list of all the videos that you've saved. So obviously you can click on any of them that you want. And you can obviously share them. Obviously click on these three dots on the bottom right. This will give you a few options on here. So you can click on interested. So you'll see more of these videos like this. Or you can click on not interested to see fewer videos like that. You can also unsave the video. And obviously there's a few more options if you want to go through them as well. So that's how you can find your saved reels on Facebook. Thanks for watching.